Parcel Tracker can help you track parcels between multiple sites. For example, if you have multiple department buildings or multiple university buildings in a single campus. It can also help you track internal parcel movements between two buildings in different regions or countries. To learn more, check out our multi-mailroom office tutorial. From the dashboard, click Sites. Click Add Site on the top right corner. Enter the site name and any optional information like the address or country as needed. When you're done, click Add Site. To edit a site's information, hover over its name and click Open. Parcel Tracker will automatically save the changes. To set a site as active, toggle the site, then click Set as Active. You can also delete the site if it's no longer needed.